Hello, boys and girls of the internet. You're welcome, and I'm your favorite guy, Beniza Link. And what we're doing in this particular video is that we're trying to make money online by viewing ads. So there are a lot of content out there that actually says you can actually make money online by watching ads, right? By viewing ads. All right. So in this particular video, guys, we're gonna actually see if it's true. Yeah, I've actually tried it out. I've actually done one or two things, and I'm going to share with you guys my experience. So you guys are also going to experience it with me, but basically I'm going to share with you guys my experience. So one of the content creators that we've actually seen here is Miss Odetta. So I have her video right here, and I've seen the video and I've gone through the video a couple of times to see if there are mistakes that I've made, and yes, and if there are mistakes I've made, I've corrected them. And guys, I'm going to show you guys what I've done so that you can actually do the exact same thing if it works, and if it doesn't work, you guys will get to understand that. So she said she tried this app with her friends, two of her friends, where they had to watch ads online, and she said they made a lot of money doing this. And you can also hear this from her.
Just making money by just watching 30-minute advertisements on your phone from anywhere across the globe, free of cost, sounds like another one of those too good to be true deals.
Yeah, so she also made it known that it's more like it's too good to be true thing. So like it's too good to be true to actually make money online by just viewing ads. Yeah, in this particular video, we're going to know if it really worked. So here she said that.
And guess what? We actually made money. No.
So she said that they tried it and they actually made money. She and her friend, they tried making money online by viewing ads and they actually make money. So we're going to try it out. We're going to see if we can actually make money online doing this, right? So
how much money did they really make watching these mini ads?
Yeah, so you ask yourself, how much money did they get to make by watching these ads? Yeah, that's what we're going to find out. If they really make money as they said, and how much can we make by also watching these ads? So without going through our content more and wasting much of your time, so the website she actually revealed to us in that particular video is called paidwork.com. Paidwork.com. So on paidwork.com, there are basically lots of things you can actually do on paidwork.com. You can actually do survey. Also, there are a few things you can actually do on paidwork.com, and then one of the things which she said we're going to be focusing on is watching ads, right? And we're going to go to paidwork.com and we're going to like sign up with them. So I've actually signed up with paidwork.com, and when I did sign up with paidwork.com, I tried to make money with the website, but they requested I have a mobile app. So what I did is that I actually had to download the mobile app on my phone, and what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to show you guys what the app looks like. So if you download the app, if you go to Google Play and you download the app, this is what it's going to look like, right? Paidwork. So I downloaded the app and then I got into the app, right? So the app is going to open up so that you get to see if I've really made money or if I've not made money with this platform, right? So it says sign in, and I'm going to like sign in right now. So right now I've signed in, and you can see that on the dashboard I've earned $0.00, right? And I've had this app for like a number of days right now. And she said that once we get to this particular platform right now, all I have to do is we'll go to where we have N. So if you come over right here, you click on N, you're going to see that for you to make up to $1, you must have 100 points. All right. So let's just see what she asked us to do, right? So she said we're going to concentrate on watching videos, right? We're going to concentrate on watching videos, like watching ads, right? So we click on N, right here where it says N. And once we click on that, you're going to see where it says that you can earn up to 0.50 cents to $10 for watching a video. Now, that is not entirely true because I've been on this app for a number of days, and because I've been on this app for a number of days, I've been saying this like for all these days, but I've not been able to watch any video. So I'm going to show you the next thing that happened here. So here we'll have watch. So click on watch, and it says watch the video for 30 seconds to receive 0.9 points. It's not even up to a point. Do you understand? It's not even up to a point. It means that for us to, sometimes this goes down to as low as 7 cents, 0.7 cents, right? Not even up to a cent. So sorry, 0.7. This is not a cent now, 0.7 points. So it means that we have to watch for more than 100 times. So let's say basically like 120 times, 150 times to be able to get up to 100 points. That is if there are videos here. But you also notice that here there are no videos. It says if there are no videos available today, come back here tomorrow. The number of points may change daily depending on the number of videos watched. Right. So I've been here for a number of days and there are no videos here. You can go ahead and click on start watching. And once you click on start watching, right? Once you click on start watching, you see that this will never load up. Like it takes like forever and then it doesn't load up. Right? So I've been on this app for a number of days and this is the exact same thing. So I don't know how Miss Odetta end up making her money. She said I think she said they made over $450 in a week or in a month. I can't recall properly. But we have not really been able to make a penny for days on this platform. So, is this something you should actually go on and try? Nah, it's not something you should try. It's not something you should really waste your time on. So, what I want to say here, what I want to conclude with is that videos like this that promise to help you make $1 million, $1,000 in a day when you do nothing, when you don't perform any activity, when you don't offer a service. I don't know how these creators come up with these videos, but they are not realistic, right? So if you really want to make money online through the easiest way possible, be sure to get yourself a skill, right? Get yourself a skill. It's either you get yourself a skill or you join a particular business online, right? So there are businesses like affiliate marketing, right? That's one particular business that you know that is very, very creative. You can actually get into and start making money online with affiliate marketing. This is basically where you get to sell a product and then you get paid in commission, right? I'm going to start uploading videos on how you can actually make money online with affiliate marketing very soon, all right? So watch out for those videos. Yes, the next thing you should also do is, like I said, get a skill. You could actually start developing websites or designing websites and then you get paid. So once you design a website for your clients, you get paid a particular amount when you offer a service. That's how to make money online. You offer a service. All right, so there are also videos that I get to share on this particular channel that the little things you can actually do online and make money online. Those videos are already on this particular channel, but very soon I'll be making more videos on that. So watch out for these videos. If you're really interested in making money online, get yourself a skill, get into a business, and you're cool, all right? And my best way of making money online, guys, if I should end this video without telling you guys this, I would really, really feel bad. So my best way of really making money online is through Forex market. Forex trading, Forex market, through the Forex market. So you can actually make money online when you analyze the Forex market or the crypto market. And once you analyze it and you are correct, it goes in your way, you make money, right? I'm not going to take much of your time and explain how Forex market works. You can actually Google that up and maybe one day, if I say the need to actually teach you guys Forex in this channel, I'll come back and teach you guys Forex in this channel. But right now, guys, just know that all this simple things, watch videos online, watch ads, they will not really make you money. All right, yeah, I've made a video on how you can actually make money online by doing tax online, that is survey. And this video that I made here, you can see that there's a proof because I had to withdraw, right? I had to try it and it worked, and I showed you guys how I did it. And you guys can also watch that video on how I made money by carrying out tax by performing surveys online. So having like revealed this to you guys and have you tried out with you guys, I'm going to allow you guys to actually watch my videos that teach you how to make money online, guys. And it's going to be a peace out from me right now. Peace.